This is a LMC Cruiser T627G. T stands for semi-integrated, that's German of course, Teil-integriert. And we're having a look at it from here. We can see what's interesting to start off with. We've got three large skylights, or two large ones and one sort of standard one, which are open. So if you want to get a bit of air in your van, as I think lots of us do in warm countries, this at least will do that much. This van will cost €75,000. Base price 62,150, so we've got quite a lot of extras, and we'll have a look at the extras that we've got. It's an engine upgrade, it's got an automatic gearbox, it's got chassis comfort packet, design packet, avant-garde packet, it's got something in the garage, it's things of that nature, which I can't tell you more about. Oh no, sorry, it's got them, all the details are all written here. So the chassis comfort includes fuel tank 90 litres and anyway, look, they're there, and rather than read the whole thing up, it's got daylight, LED running lights, okay, I'll give you some of the details up here. Look, 699 centimeters long, 232 wide, 296 high at its highest point. Empty weight 2,845. So this is sort of with a bit of water, driver and fuel. But you can see you've got there 655 kilos of payload from when it's empty. Of course, some of the extras which I mentioned there will add a little bit of weight onto that. There you've got your toilet cassette. Let's have a look inside. It's got a double floor. I think the double floor is particularly good, very useful thing to have on a van. Open that, see inside the double floor. I think you can also get, as an option for this, you can also get the bed as well. An extra bed down here. I wouldn't want one, but if you do want one, you can have one. I think. There you can see, automatic gearbox at the price I quoted you earlier. The useful place to keep your outdoor clothes. I'm going to sit down in my favourite seat. And I'll tell you a little bit about it. Oh, sorry. Right, so looking down here, we've got two joinable single beds at the back, so make an enormous double bed should you so desire. And under that, on the right hand side, we've got a thing that slides out for a storage space, and on the left hand side we've got a wardrobe, so hanging space, two steps to the bed which will come out, and both of which you can use for storage should you so require. Right, I'll just show you this one now. This comes like this, bit tight that. There's a magnet there as well. I'll show you this because this is something I really like. Great, I think that's superb. Great use of space. There we go, we've got hanging space here. Oh, sorry, turn the light off now. You've got the safety instructions in case of fire, get out the van. So I'm glad to know that piece of advice. Oh, I didn't show you this, sorry. It just comes out like that. Long, thin Thetford tower fridge. Above it, bit of storage there. fridge. Here's something useful. You've got a split kitchen. So if you've got only want to use one pan, I just open this and you can cook. You can leave your plates or something over there. Got 2 pans on the go. Keep that one closed instead. If you've got 3 pans on the go, you keep the whole thing open. Depends what you want. Sink. Sorry. Sink. Show the drawers. Oops. You've got 2 more drawers here because the top one is for your gas. Plenty of space in there, it's quite deep. Right, sort of gives you a quick overview of this. Quite elegant. I'll show you a couple more vans. Whilst we're here we've got an integrated one. I think this is the most expensive one they've got here. It's a 91,100 and something euros. See, integrated, so it's got the body has been built by the motorhome manufacturer. Because compare it to that one over there, you see the Fiat at the beginning, and so it's semi-integrated. I was at Alco, the factory, and you can see how they actually arrive, what they look like when they come from. And this, I filmed from Mercedes and from Fiat, and you can sort of see the vans as they come. And I've got nothing around them anyway, so it's quite interesting. Let's have a look at this thing here. Double floor, bed up there. It's using the same sort of design though throughout. Kitchen's the same as we just saw. Shower. That's quite elegant, I like that. Toilet through here. Close the door. So he'll have a quick look at a couple more. I've got a large selection there. Here's another integrated van, 735G, and let's quick walk in now. Just have a quick walk in. I'm not going to. You can see this in another film if you want. Oops. Almost tripped over. There's another queen bed one, semi-integrated, 76,000 euros. And I think we'll conclude for this film with this one here, Cruiser Comfort T727G, 76,210. Now one thing you'll notice that here they don't have my favourite layout, which is with the widthwise bed at the back. You know, they have to give people what they want, and I think that the widthwise is no longer enjoying popularity. There seems to be two choices. In Germany, the best seller now for new vans is this one here. It's the joinable single beds. People are getting taller, which means they need longer beds, which is why they want that. The advantage of the queen bed is that you can get out of both sides, both partners can get out, and I think that that is an advantage at a certain age. The same with the joinable single beds is as well, because you can get out of bed without disturbing the other person. So, I hope that was of interest, and if you're interested, you can subscribe to my channel. If you're not, then you won't.